Hello and welcome to the EstatePro CMS Content Management Web Portal Overview. It allows you to simply set up and manage your web presence quickly, simply and professionally, and have all your customer web and contact forms sync automatically with your CRM and email lists. So let's start here on the EstatePro dashboard on the login side. As you see, we have some very simple reports on the front here. So the number of recent visits, inquiries, if we have a forum, the number of recent forum posts, and importantly here our live feed of information which is happening with our system. So how do we see this in the real world? Let's go to AnyStreet here. So AnyStreet is one of our templates that we've set up for our customers to be able to use if they wish. As you see, it's a very professional template. Allows you to add about us, contact us, your services. You can add rich content, text, images, and so forth, as well as at the bottom here, subscribe to newsletters, recent company news, and so forth. So how do you edit and update the information here? Well, you do this through the EstatePro portal. So let's go to website. And we have two ways of doing this. So this brings up our pages down here. So let's click on the home page. Now what you see, if you're used to working with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, you have the template across the top here. So you can change, format your text, you can add new images just here, change the paragraph styles, just copy paste information in. It's very simple, very easy to use. If you're used, for example, to dealing with HTML, you have direct access to the HTML here as well, so you can make the changes yourself. Now, for some people, even still, editing like this they're a little bit unsure about. So we have an even simpler way of making some very simplistic changes. We call this Site Editor. So let's click on Site Editor. Now what this does, it actually opens up a live page of your website. And in a second, as it's just loading, there we go. So now that we're within here, you'll see there's various parts that you're able to edit. And for example here, there's a web app part that you can edit directly. Let's just pull down here. So we have the text on the main page here that you can edit. So I'll just highlight a couple pieces there. Now what this brings up is a menu, again not dissimilar to Microsoft Word. It allows you to edit text formats there, insert images, change formatting, change font color and paragraph styles just here. So as I say, let's look down the bottom left hand corner. We have here page status live. This is that web page that we just looked at live at the moment. So let's just add some new text here to show exactly how live it is. So just put in text hello, and on the bottom right here, save and publish. Asks me, am I sure? Yes. Now that's done. So we just click back now to the web page. This is where we were a second ago. As you see, no change there. Let's refresh the page. And here we go. Immediately the text changes have happened. And if we want to change again, we can just go back. Let's just delete that and save and publish again. Am I sure? Yes. That's done. I go back, refresh, and you see it's gone. So it's very quick, very simple, and immediate changes to key information. So let's just go back out. So to come out of here, just go back to the admin console. So how do we deal now with the live feed? What is the live feed? The live feed is information which happens on your website, just here, on your CMS website. As it happens, it automatically connects with your back office, so your CRM and your email mailing list. So let's do an example. Let's do contact us. Now the form, obviously you can add more fields here and extract more information if you wish, but let's just make a test here. So let's call it, my name is John Smith, there we go, and my email address is smith email, let's just say hello. Now I'm going to submit this form to the AnyStreet team. So it gives me an overview of my submission. If this was a real email address here, I'd receive an email thanking me for my submission. and saying somebody from Any Street will be back to you shortly. So we've had this. Let's go back to the Any Street portal and come down to the live feed. Normally it takes a couple of seconds to pop through. In the interest of time, we'll just click refresh. And what we now have here is the John Smith contact. And hopefully what you're hearing now as well in the background, just there, is actually me receiving an email also on my BlackBerry. I am the administrator of the Any Street website, and it sent me an email to tell me that John Smith has just submitted a contact us form. These are John Smith's details. This is what he's interested in. And so I can either contact directly to this person if I'm out of the office, or alternately, I can deal with them directly here when I'm online. Now, the automation, John Smith is automatically, as I click on the details, you'll see now it's taking me straight into the customers, into the CRM database. It's created this person as a customer straight away with the live feed of what they've just done. So we can now add, as we've seen in the CRM tool, we can add new tasks, new meetings. We can update their details here and follow up with them. So what this means is we're not losing a customer. We have full workflow notifications. It's into our database automatically. It sent me an email to tell me that I have a new customer contact. And it's integrated perfectly our front office, which is our website, into our back office. And as we've just seen in real time here, it's happened immediately. Thank you.